How to find the best Turo promo code. Before you go ahead and head out straight into Turo.com's official site and pay for the car that you'd like to rent, this is how you get a promotional code. First things first is open up any preferred web browser and then just simply head to this website here. It's going to be couponfollow.com. Choose one of their first result that will redirect you to Coupon Follow's official site. And as you can see, there is an actual search box from here. Type in Turo and it should be on the first result. Now you can actually see multiple options of discount codes and promotional codes from here that you can still use. Now just if you already chosen one, then simply click on show coupon code, copy the unique code, and then go back to your Turo official website and just paste the code here. That's how you get or you find the best Turo discount promo code.